Welcome to the best picks. The best Himalayan salt is probably one of the most versatile and visually stunning minerals you can bring into your home, not just for seasoning your food with its unique mineral-rich flavor, but also for its potential health benefits, decorative lamps, and even culinary blocks that promise a gourmet experience, making it a fascinating subject for today's deep dive. Number 5. The Spice Lab Pink Himalayan Coarse Salt. Discover the pure taste of the Spice Lab Pink Himalayan Salt. This coarse grain salt comes in a convenient 2.2 pounds bag, perfect for all your culinary needs. It's an all-purpose cooking and grinder salt, designed for maximum convenience. You can easily use it in your favorite salt mill or grinder for fresh flavor every time. This is a non-GMO and OU kosher certified sea salt, ensuring the highest standards of quality. It brings natural goodness to every dish you prepare. More than just a seasoning, it's packed with essential nutrients and minerals. Incorporating it into your diet can contribute to your overall well-being. Rest assured, it is 100% certified and rigorously tested for purity and quality. You can trust this product to deliver exceptional taste and health benefits. Elevate your everyday meals with its unique flavor and health benefits. Experience the difference in your kitchen today. What we like. This product is a fantastic all-rounder, offering a coarse grain perfect for grinders and general cooking. It's 100% certified and tested, ensuring high quality and nutrient density. If you're looking for a versatile, health-conscious salt for everyday use that you can trust, this is an excellent choice. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no specific points about Himalayan rock salt could be extracted or quoted. Number 4. Sherpa Pink Himalayan Salt Coarse Grain. Discover the pure taste of nature with this exquisite salt. It's sourced directly from the Himalayas, bringing you an authentic culinary experience. This coarse grain salt is perfect for your everyday cooking needs. Each 2-pound bag ensures you have plenty for all your favorite recipes. Enjoy peace of mind knowing it's all natural, gluten-free, and contains no additives. This ensures you're only adding the best to your meals. Elevate any dish, from simple meals to gourmet creations. It's an essential ingredient for enhancing the flavor of all your culinary adventures. Designed specifically for convenience, it works wonderfully in your favorite salt grinders and mills. This makes seasoning your food effortless and precise. Bring the natural goodness of the Himalayas to your kitchen. It's the perfect choice for anyone seeking quality and flavor in their cooking. What we like. This option stands out for its pure, all-natural composition, completely free from gluten and any additives. It's ideal for enhancing your everyday cooking and recipes with clean flavor. If you prioritize natural ingredients and want a pure, unadulterated salt for your daily meals, this one is perfect. What people say. Number 3. Himalayan Chef Pink Himalayan Salt Coarse Grain. Sourced directly from the pristine Himalayan mountains, this salt is 100% pure and natural. It's also certified kosher, ensuring the highest quality for your kitchen. Beyond just flavor, it's rich in essential trace minerals that are vital for your well-being. Enhance your meals with its unique nutritional profile. This coarse grain salt is specifically designed for easy grinder refills. Enjoy freshly ground salt with every use, adding a burst of flavor to your dishes. Whether you're baking, roasting, or sautéing, it's an indispensable ingredient. Its distinct flavor profile will transform your everyday recipes into culinary masterpieces. Finish your dishes with a sprinkle of this exquisite salt for an unparalleled taste. It brings out the best in your food, making every bite memorable. This generous 2-pound bag ensures you always have enough on hand. It's perfect for regular use and keeps your pantry stocked with premium salt. What we like. This product offers pure, natural, and mineral-rich salt, perfect for enhancing your dishes. It's also kosher certified, adding an extra layer of assurance for specific dietary needs. If you're looking for a high-quality, mineral-rich salt that meets kosher standards for all your cooking and seasoning, this is a fantastic pick. What people say. Number 2. Wild Foods Pink Himalayan Salt. This salt is finely ground, making it perfect for both seasoning your meals at the table and incorporating into your cooking. Its versatile texture ensures even distribution and flavor enhancement in every dish. Experience the true essence of nature with this 100% real and pure salt. It remains unrefined, preserving all its natural goodness and delivering an authentic taste. More than just a seasoning, it's packed with over 80 essential minerals and electrolytes. These natural components contribute to its unique flavor and potential health benefits. Each batch is carefully produced in small quantities, ensuring superior quality and attention to detail. This meticulous process guarantees a premium product every time. You can feel good about using this salt, knowing it's sourced ethically and responsibly. Its journey from the earth to your table respects both people and the planet. What we like. Unlike others, this one comes in a fine ground form, making it instantly ready for table use and precise seasoning. It boasts over 80 minerals and electrolytes, and is ethically sourced in small batches. If you prefer a fine ground salt for immediate use and value ethical sourcing and rich mineral content, this is your go-to. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points can be extracted or quoted from original content. Number 1. UMAID Himalayan Salt Block Cooking Plate. This all-in-one set includes a food-grade Himalayan salt cooking block, a sturdy steel holder, and a recipe booklet. It's crafted from 100% natural pink Himalayan salt, perfect for diverse culinary applications. Made from pure pink Himalayan salt, this cooking surface subtly seasons your food as it cooks. It naturally enhances flavors without overwhelming them, ideal for meats, vegetables, and seafood. A robust iron steel holder is included, offering stable support for carrying, serving, and displaying it. This makes transporting it from grill to table effortless, ensuring an attractive presentation. Beyond cooking, it serves as an elegant plate for both hot and cold dishes. Chill it for sushi or charcuterie, or heat it for grilling, creating memorable dining experiences. This makes a truly unique gift for any cooking enthusiast or home chef. It transforms everyday meals and entertaining into an extraordinary culinary adventure. Designed for easy care, it requires minimal maintenance. Simply let it cool, then wipe it clean with a damp cloth, avoiding harsh soaps to keep it ready for your next use. What we like. This isn't just salt, it's a complete cooking and serving experience, coming as a block with a steel tray and recipe booklet. It naturally enhances food flavor while cooking and offers stunning presentation for both hot and cold dishes. If you're an adventurous home chef or looking for a unique culinary gift that transforms cooking and serving, this versatile block is an exceptional choice. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.